Okay, everybody, today we're going to decorate the Christmas tree in my kitchen, and the tree's theme is French country. I am now going through my Christmas decorations for this particular tree. I didn't want to buy anything new, so I'm going to use what I already had. And I have various sorts of ribbons and picks and ornaments and things like that. Most of it came from either Dollar Tree or Hobby Lobby after Christmas. I picked up some ornaments a few years back. Just showing you the two tree skirts that I have. I'm gonna go with that one right there, which is the burlap and lace. Didn't want to use that red glittery one this year. So the first thing I'm gonna do is add this houndstooth and red ribbon. I believe I got that from Tuesday Morning, if I'm not mistaken, but I picked that up a few years back. I've already applied the ribbon to the tree, so now I'm going ahead and adding these picks that I got from Dollar Tree year before last. They're just those long berry picks. They were in red, white, and then that cranberry color, I think. So that's going to be my topper. Not going to add a star or anything or an angel or anything like that. I'm just going to use those picks to kind of keep it sort of, rustic looking or whatever. And it looks really nice. This tree is an old one that I had. It's a pre-lit tree, but the lights actually stopped working this year. So I just put a strand of, I think it was 150 clear lights, if I'm not mistaken, on it. I didn't want any more than that because I didn't want it to be too bright for the space. Again, it's supposed to be sort of country, looking, French, rustic, whatever. So I just used very few lights on it, and it gives a really nice soft glow to the tree. So I'm just finishing up with the picks here. It's super simple. Like I said, I'm trying to keep it as rustic as possible for this particular space. So these little ribbon ornaments I got from Dollar Tree. They're like plaid with some little evergreen details to it with some berries and stuff. So I'm just adding those there. I'm going to put up, I think it's 5 trees. But each tree in each room has a different theme. So this is the first one. So this will be the first in the series. Those ornaments, again, if y'all watch all these Dollar Tree hauls, they came from Dollar Tree. They're just the burlap poinsettias. I have them in the red and the just regular burlap color. They're either poinsettias or snowflakes. I can't remember, but anyway, they're cute on the tree. So I'm just adding those on there. But yeah, each tree that I have is a different theme. Each room is a different theme for that matter. I know a lot of people just do their whole house in one theme, but not I. I have to do the most. So the kitchen's definitely going to be, this side of the kitchen, should I say, will be French country, and then the other side with the cabinets and the stove and all that, I think it's going to be a retro theme, and that will be like mid-century 50s, kind of 60s, right in that area. So you'll see it. But anyway, I'm just adding those little burlap ornaments to the tree now, and just enjoying the time that I'm spending doing this. I actually have a audio, or should I say a radio drama playing on YouTube. I love radio dramas, the BBC radio dramas, the Agatha Christie mystery dramas, and I think I'm listening to one of the Poirot dramas, and I just get in my zone and listen to those while I decorate and create and things like that. So I was just enjoying that time, enjoying the experience. So yeah, this is fun. I look forward to this time of year every year. And what I wanted to do was get all my trees up and then do little DIYs to where I could add more ornaments or decor to the space, from the DIY, should I say, or create DIYs to add to the trees and the spaces that I plan to decorate. but I wanted to get the hard stuff done and up first. What I just showed you were some tag ornaments that I got from Michaels, and like I said, I got those years ago. I want to say it's been about 4 years maybe that I got those. And each one of them, they either have a number or a letter on it, and so I try to get letters with the first initial of names of loved ones, and then the numbers just are numbers. But they look really good on the tree. I just like that rustic look that they have, sort of aged and everything. And we'll try to create some of those as well. I have a DIY coming. So, yep. Now we're going to add these little bells and snowflakes again from Dollar Tree, honey. You can make your you can make your tree look amazing with Dollar Tree ornaments. If you know how to work them and know how to arrange them properly, they won't look cheap. They won't look all plasticky. They'll look really nice and elegant on your trees. So take a little inspiration from mine and other fabulous YouTubers here on the platform, and you can come up with some really nice ideas of your own. And I love these little bells. They give a subtle little sound every now and then as you walk by to the tree. And so I'm kind of stepping back, trying to see where I need to fill in and things like that. So yeah, and this tree, I want to say was a slim tree. I think I got 2 that particular year from Big Lots, if I'm not mistaken, but it's old. Here are the ornaments that I got on clearance from Michaels, and that is, of course, the deer head ornaments from Dollar Tree. Now those metal ornaments I got from Michaels, I want to say those were springtime ornaments. I didn't get those after Christmas. I want to say they were like yeah, they were from spring, and I just put them up and used them for Christmas that particular year. But you know how they mark down stuff after each season. I grabbed a whole bunch of them because they were dirt cheap. I want to say they were in the dollar spot, if I can remember correctly. So I only paid maybe a quarter or something for each of them because I got a bunch, so it had to be really cheap. You know me, the clearance queen, honey. So yeah, and they work really good. They're sort of a cream color, and they've like been painted this pale green, and then they have a sort of matte white or a cream white color on top, and then it's been aged. So they're really cute, and there were hearts, doves, and butterflies, I believe. Okay, so now we're going to add these antique key ornaments, again from Michaels, and those snowman hats from Dollar Tree, just to add a bit of whimsy. And I love using non-traditional kind of ornaments, something unexpected. You know, it just makes things more interesting. When it comes to decorating, you don't always have to follow the norm. You can kind of step outside the box sometimes, and I love doing that. So yep. I have fun coming up with all kinds of themes and ideas when it comes to Christmas. Almost wish it lasted all year. Well, it actually does, you know. And some people actually have ever trees where they'll keep them up all year, but I don't want to do that. So yeah, but anyway, I like coming up with new ideas when it comes to Christmas and themes and things like that. Now I'm going to add some angel ornaments. I got those. It was a set of, I want to say 6 from a yard sale. And then I have that angel ornament that says love. I got that from Dollar Tree, I think, a couple years back. Dollar Tree over the years have had some really nice and unique items. And they're steadily getting in things like that now. So, yeah. But I always have some, I guess, religious aspect to the tree. We're supposed to, because Jesus is the reason for the season, honey. So the angels are definitely one of the things that I add to the tree. I also add like the nativity and crucifixes or crosses. Now I'm adding some more picks. These are pine cone picks. I think they're from Dollar Tree. Well, the berry picks are definitely from Dollar Tree, but I'm not sure where I got the pine cone ones. I want to say it was Dollar Tree, and I'm just kind of finding places on the tree that may have holes or a little gap or something that you kind of want to plug in. So that's how I add the picks. When I worked retail, well, I did retail for 14 years. How they taught us how to decorate a tree is from inside out, because no matter how much you fluff an artificial tree, you're going to have some holes. So you decorate from the inside out by adding like ornaments close to the trunk so that you can kind of camouflage it. If you have a hole, you won't really see the trunk, you'll see the ornament from the inside. And that's a good way to use like dinged up ornaments or old scratched up ones, is to put those closest to the trunk, and then you sort of work your way out. And you know, you add your ornaments close to the trunk, then you start with your ribbon, and then you go from there, and you should end with like your specialty ornaments and things like that. If you want to see a video on how to actually do that from start to finish, let me know down below. Give this video a thumbs up and I will definitely do that. So here is the finished tree. I love how it turned out. I'm gonna add more ornaments as I create them. Like I said, we're gonna do some DIYs, but it is absolutely beautiful. I love it. And you're also gonna see the rest of the kitchen. But like I said, I wanted to get the tree up first, and then we'll do our DIYs and finish decorating the space together. So love, love, love my little French country tree. It is beautiful. I love how it turned out, y'all. So again, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, or if you're a person that's just visiting, please consider subscribing and sticking around, seeing what I come up with for the season. So yeah, that's gonna do it for the video, and I will see you in the next one. Love y'all. Bye.